Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario World on PS Vita. We'll cover everything from preparing your device to launching your favorite retro titles. This guide will help you transform your PlayStation Vita into a powerful emulation machine, allowing you to relive countless hours of classic gaming fun. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of nostalgic entertainment right in your hands. First, you'll need to prepare your PlayStation Vita. This involves ensuring custom firmware is already installed, which unlocks the system's full potential for homebrew applications. You'll also want to check that you have ample storage available, ideally at least 1 GB, for your emulator and game files. Finally, connect your Vita to your computer using a USB cable, as this will be crucial for transferring files later on. Next, it's time to install the emulator. You'll need to download a suitable Super Nintendo emulator, like RetroArch, onto your computer. Once downloaded, transfer the emulator's VPK installation file to your PlayStation Vita's memory card. Then, using a file manager application like Vita Shell on your Vita, navigate to the VPK file and install it. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. Finally, you're ready to play Super Mario World. First, acquire the Super Mario World game ROM file. Then, transfer this ROM file to the designated ROMs folder within your newly installed emulator's directory on your Vita. Open the emulator application, browse to the folder where you placed your game, select Super Mario World, and enjoy the classic adventure. It's that simple to start your retro gaming journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.